Right, here we've got the crunched up aluminium in the bottom of this container we don't really like very much, and we've got the 3 silver decanter labels there and the silver chains. We're just going to try and clean them off. So we're going to sprinkle a bit of baking soda on the top of them, just a little sprinkling, and then cover them with boiling hot water and leave them for a few minutes and see what happens. The powder's come out a bit lumpy, or the baking soda I should say. It's come out a bit lumpy, but I don't think it matters too much. So we've sprinkled them on top of the labels, and now we're going to pour on the boiling hot water. Excuse the steam, best to do this outside because it does stink like rotten eggs, which is not great inside the house. And try and keep the items separate and from each other, not overlapping, because otherwise you'll end up with some bits that are clean and other bits that are not. So we'll leave those for a few minutes and see what happens. These have now been in here for about 3 minutes, and they're starting to get rid of quite a lot of the tarnish. It's now been in the solution for about 5 or 6 minutes. I've now taken it out with a wooden spatula to stop my fingers getting burnt by the boiling water, and I'm now going to buff that up with a soft dry cloth and then rinse it under the tap. It looks as if it's come up as shiny as my normal silver polish. Don't forget to run the cloth round the little bracelet that holds it on the decanter. That'll clean out the muck from there. If you want to get into the little nooks and crannies, you can always use a little old toothbrush. Please subscribe to this Wacky UK channel and give it the thumbs up if you can. That would be great, and then we can help a few people. We cover all sorts of things from DIY, gardening, baking, how to become a millionaire. If people subscribe enough, I'll show you how to do that. And on the left is what it looks like when it comes out of the solution, and on the right is after it's been buffed up. So there we are. Those doesn't look too bad in my opinion anyway. So we'll just give those a little wash off under the tap now we've buffed them up, and I'll just get rid of any remaining residue of the baking soda and water. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and do give it the thumbs up, like it, and then hopefully we'll be able to help a few people.